Hi, I'm Jack McCarthy. Here in the Reeves Sound Studios, we've just completed a Ford Motor Company commercial for TV. My part's the announcing. I'm one of hundreds of people involved in making a film commercial. Writers, photographers, technicians of all kinds. Commercials are produced by leading advertisers such as Ford with the same devotion to good taste and fresh, exciting interest as the program itself. Cars in motion, the running shot. This scene requires live talent. How is it that the talent always picks the Convertibles to relax in? Under a flame tree, naturally. Gilding the lily, perhaps, but makeup is needed. The scene is slated with a number for identification purposes. And the rig starts off. The advance man has done his job well. The road we're using has been cleared for 7/10 of a mile. Blake rides the camera wagon. He checks to see that the shot checks with the script. The assistant cameraman, using prearranged signals, gets the cars into position. Okay, go ahead. Whoops, the red car has overshot the mark. Blake calls for a retake. And get that dirt off the front left tire. So we do it again. And how did the job turn out this time? Judge for yourself. Here's what the shot looked like later in the screening room. Back to the all-important storyboard. This time it'll be a trip to the beach, but no picnic baskets. The subject, convertibles. Getting cars into place takes time. And the sun won't wait. See those lengthening shadows? Either the sun or the cars will have to be moved. Let's try it the easy way. There, the solution is literally in the point of view. However, a color correction for sky and water values could be used. The cameraman suggests darkening the scene by means of a Polaroid filter. By rotating this Polaroid filter, we get different degrees of correction. Here's what Blake sees. The take is marked in the log for Polaroid. Cast moves into position. We're slated. Action. And here's the scene. Here are the parents of the 6 commercials gathered together to see and hear the first of their new creations. Production number 1137. Title, Convertibles. Now's the time to do this. And this. And join the big, wide, wonderful top-down world. The top-down world. It practically belongs to the Ford family of fine cars. The sky is your roof, the sun your companion. In the Ford Sunliner, the Thunderbird, the Lincoln Premier Convertible, the Mercury Montclaire Convertible, the Ford family of fine convertibles. Because we make so many, there's more for you in every convertible we make. Breeze along in the Ford Sunliner, largest selling convertible on the American road. Or picture yourself in a Ford Thunderbird, the personal glamour car. Lincoln is the flagship of the top-down world, the Lincoln Premier Convertible. The big, beautiful Big M Mercury Montclaire, armchair comfort on wheels. The top-down world is the world of the Ford family of fine cars. Because we make so many, there's more for you in every convertible we make. Young, fresh styling. New ideas in color. New ideas in interiors. New ideas for faster, smoother top action. New ideas for stronger, longer-lasting top structure. New ideas that made the Thunderbird both a soft top and a hard top convertible. New ideas for quicker locking. In the Ford, Thunderbird, the Mercury, the Lincoln. In the top-down world, there's nothing under the sun or moon quite as fresh and spirited and young and beautiful as the convertibles you find in the Ford family of fine cars. Satisfied? They're never satisfied. But just between us, they're pleased all right. Only 2 minutes of playing time, but 35 days of hard work, more than 200 persons involved. It will be seen by 15, perhaps 20 million people in one performance. Created and produced with no less skill and care than the program it accompanies on your home screen. Well, that's our business. And you know something? We wouldn't trade places with the star of the show.